Hi crypto fans, welcome to SEI Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you this SEI Network Airdrop. This is the Act 4. We are going to check everything step by step on how to get this airdrop. It's not that easy, it's a little complex, so you need to pay attention on this. We are going to go step by step on everything that you need to do in order to at least participate on the Act 4. I'm going to explain everything about that and all the steps and submissions that you need to do. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, SEI is an infrastructure powering modern capital markets, and this is a layer 1 blockchain and is specialized for trading to give exchanges an fair advantage. Basically, it's a layer 1 solution. They are backed by very big institutions, and I think this is going to be a big airdrop that we can participate already. I'm going to do the step by step on how to do that, and they already have been confirmed that they are going to airdropping 1% of the total supply to testnet participants and completing the testnet task as mentioned on the missions page to get points. You will get free SEI tokens based on the number of points you have. So we are going to check here how to get these points. Without any introduction, let's start with this SEI Network Airdrop. Basically, we are going to do the Act 4. If you go to the official link here, you will see that we have different acts with different dates that you need to accomplish, start date and end date. Right now, we already passed Act 1, 2, and 3, and we are right now in Act 4. So we can do this because it started in October 28, but we cannot already do the previous acts. So in this case, we are going to be eligible of the airdrop doing the missions of the Act 4. In order to do that, this link of course is in the description and is of course here in the documentation. We are going to need to complete some goals which basically test the network and do transactions there. You have the mission submission link here because each time that we make a mission we need to submit a Google form. So I'm going to explain all that also, and here you have the different missions that we need to accomplish. So now that we understand that we are going to do Act 4 here on the missions, let's go step by step on how to do this. The first thing is that you need to register your participation on the SEI testnet. This is for Act 4 mission submission, and you need to do it in this link. After that, you need to join to Discord, to Twitter and Telegram of SEI. These are the links on the description. I may put my invites if you need it. But basically join the different social media platforms here. For point 3, you need to get a Keplr wallet. In this case, Keplr is your only option, and you will have the SEI testnet there. So like you can see, I have my Keplr wallet here, and I already have SEI Network here, SEI testnet. If you don't have it, we have it Celestia for a previous video. If you don't have the SEI testnet here, you are going to be pumped to add it when you go to the Vortex, which is the 0.5. So if you don't have it here, SEI testnet, go to the link here or TradeVortex protocol.io, and once you pump it there and you try to connect your wallet, you are going to be able to add the network there. So now you can see that I am already logging here using my wallet, and I am logging using already my SEI testnet here. So I don't have any tokens here, but I am using the SEI testnet. So that is for point 3 to get your Keplr wallet using the SEI testnet here. Then for point 4, we are going to go to the Atlantic Faucet channel on Discord, and we are going to request two different tokens. In the Discord Atlantic Faucet channel, you need to post this, the exclamation sign Faucet UST2, and then your SEI wallet, and after that the same without the UST. So this way you are going to have 1 million UST2 and 1 SEI token to pay fees. So let's do that. So I am here on the SEI Discord channel. I'm going to Atlantic 1 Faucet. I'm going to copy here my Keplr on SEI testnet. Then I will put here, if you don't see, it's exclamation sign Faucet UST2, and then you paste your wallet After that, you are going to see that you have 1 million balance. You can use it only once. I already used it today, so you will get this message in that case. But if not, you are going to have 1 million tokens here, and you are going to see it there. And the same for the other token. If you want SEI token, you need to do the same without the UST2. So guys, once you do put the 0.4, you will get UST2 tokens, 1 million. I have 900,000 here, and you will get one SEI token. The network fees are really low, so with one SEI you can do multiple tasks. So you are going to be okay for now, and you can claim this one per day. The day after you can claim it again and continue doing that. So once you have your tokens, your Keplr wallet, and you understand we are going to do Act 4, go to TradeVortex.io, and there we are going to deposit some UST. We are going to make a trade on limit, and when you do that, we need to have the hashtag of the transaction, because we are going to send that in an image into the SEI testnet. And here guys, you have the Google Doc that you need to submit each time that you accomplish a mission. So this link is also here, submit mission using this form. So each time that you complete a mission, you need to use this form. So here you're going to put your email, your name, Discord ID. You need to click this. This is for Act 4 submission. Then the mission that you want to do. Let's start with the first one. This means place a limit order on Vortex, long or short in any market. We are going to do that one. Proof of completion. Here is where you are going to put the hashtag. In this case, it's only one hashtag because it's one order. But for example, if you do this, place 5 limit orders on Vortex, then you're going to put 5 different hashtags separated with commas, right? So remember to do that. And here we need to put in a screenshot of the transaction that we do. You are going to need to include a link image on a hosting survey like Imgur, and you have the link on the description here, and also the link here on the 0.5. So you can take a screenshot when you do the transaction, and I'll upload the image here. Once you have those things, you don't need to put anything here on the referral, because this is for referral missions. You click submit. If you are doing one of these, that you need to have a refer a friend to sign up on SEI, someone you refer, and interactions, you can put here my address of SEI Network. Here you have my SEI wallet, so you can use that in your referral. So you help me with this too, because I am also participating in the airdrop. So for refer missions only, for example here, which wallet address refer the parent wallet, you can put mine here. That will help me also. So now that you understand how this works, let's go do the first mission. We are going to click here on place limit order on Vortex, and from here we are going to go to Vortex. We are already signing up with our wallet in Keplr. Then you click here down here, deposit UST2, and we are going to deposit some UST2. I will put, for example, 1000, and I will click deposit. We are going to confirm this transaction, clicking approve. You can see here the Explorer. You can click it and see that was approved. This is one transaction that we have. And here you have the hashtag. This is the hashtag of the transaction. We are going to use that in the trade that we are going to do. So we already deposit that. So now you go to the trade part. You can see your total balance is 1000. Go to the trade part. So I am going to do this limit by order. Click on limit here instead of market. Remember here after you are going to have market. Right now I am going to do a limit order. I will select the 10% here that I'm going to buy and click confirm limit buy. Click on approve. So we are waiting the signing here. And once it's confirmed, you see view on Explorer, click there before it go out. And now you need to copy the hashtag. Copy this and go back here again. So proof of completion, you are going to paste that there. Only one hashtag, this is the hash of the transaction. Like you can see, for single transaction, please submit just the transaction hash. And here you need to put the URL of the image of that. And here you can upload it an image, for example, of this, where you have your transaction hash So once you have your hashtag here and you put the link here of the image that you uploaded, here you have the link of course, then you go all down way here and you click submit, confirm this, verify, and you will have your submission and your response already recorded. So you need to send one form for each mission that you complete. Remember, you need to put the hashtag of the transaction that you can see when the Explorer appears after the transaction. You have here the hash, and you need to upload that image here. You can use the image uploader that will give you a link when you put the image. And with that, you are going to be able to do all the different missions on Act 4. And with that, you are going to be eligible and gain some points for this airdrop. I don't know how many points it will give you this doing all that. We already missed it at 1, 2, and 3, and I think this is the last act. So we are not sure exactly how much you are going to be rewarded here, but it's worth it to do it. I think it's going to be a very big project. And here you have my step-by-step on how to do it on SEI Network for this airdrop on the Act 4. And guys, if this is your first time here in my channel, don't forget to like the video if this has value for you, and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the airdrops that I put daily. And you have access to this airdrop organizer because sometimes you can lose track of what you did or not. So you can download this. In order to do that, you go here to my videos, you go to how to organize your airdrops, click this video, and in the description of that video you have the link for this Google Sheet. And you can just download it. So you go here to file and you click download and download as an Excel file or PDF, it's the same. So with that you have access to do this and keep track of your airdrops. You also have a tag to get the task that you need to do for the airdrop and the dates, so you can use this as a template for your airdrops. It's very nice and organize your airdrops. So this is free for you. You just can go and access to that. And remember guys, I have many airdrops videos here daily, so most of them are still valid to do. So please, for appreciation of this content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. And don't forget to follow me at CryptoCState in Twitter, CryptoCState, because there I post updates of different things about different airdrops, news about the crypto space. I also put charts and many things about the airdrops that I don't put in the videos. So I recommend you to follow me at CryptoCState in Twitter. Guys, that is all for this video. Remember, this link, it will be in the pinned comment and in the description of the video. So you have all the steps here on how to do the SEI Network airdrop. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.